SPTV.
What's up? I'm Ben, and today we're making some GIFs.
Freelance graphic design.
Wink. Alright, we're still working on the Lumpy Meat project. Last episode we got the logo done, and here it is. Lumpy Meat himself. Super chill, super not having it. Just wants to drink and eat burgers. So, today we're going to work on some GIFs. I'm wanting to get 2 done today. We have to do 4 in total. I got a little info on them. So today we got to do one where he's kind of stumbling from side to side like he's a little drunk, can't really walk. And then I want to do one where he's like kind of rolling his eyes. So first we have to redraw this logo to make it able to animate. So we have to separate each movable part into its own layer, so it becomes its own object and it can move freely on its own. Yeah. I think we're gonna get rid of the burger. We're gonna keep the drink for this one, but the drink will be able to have to rotate, so that'll have to be its own thing. The arms are the head, the eyes, and the eyelids, and then the legs. I'm still trying to figure out how to do. Yeah, let's do that real quick, and then we'll start animating. Okay, so we got the logo ready to animate. You can see a couple changes. The burger's gone. A little bit of variations with the line width. But yeah, so you look over here on the layers. You can see like I got the eyes, mouth, head. Everything that I want to move is in its own layers, so it's its own shape that I can like manipulate. So for the first GIF, I think it's gonna be the hardest one. It's gonna be him like kind of stumbling to the side, you know, like left and right. Yeah, we're gonna try to tackle that one first, because I'm not sure how the legs are gonna look. So let's jump into After Effects and see what we can do. Alright, here he is. The finished stumbling Lumpy Meat character. This one was really hard. This is probably the hardest GIF I've ever done, just because of the walk animation. The walk cycles are still something I'm not very good at. I usually use like character animator to make the walking for me, but even then it's always from like the profile. That's like pretty much the only kind of walking animation that is easy to make. But I mean, it's kind of the same concept. I used the puppet pins to kind of warp his legs, and I tried to give him that stumbling look. I had to redo it like two or three times, as you'll probably have seen in the video, but I think I got it to an acceptable looking stumble. Yeah, I don't know, it just looks really good. And then everything else is really subtle, like his eyes kind of move off, like he's kind of drunk looking, and I tried to make sure it would keep his bottle like straight as much as, or his glass straight as much as possible. yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty good. So we'll get that up on the drive, and then the next one I'm gonna do real quick. This one won't take as long. Is like I want him to kind of like shrug and roll his eyes. Maybe if like he gets a follow or something, that'd be a good one for that. So we're gonna rig that up real quick, and then bring it into After Effects and animate that shit. Wonder if I can like, how can I do it? Okay, here, I'm gonna like knock him over. Yeah, okay, let's get to work. All right, second GIF is done. Here he is, the shrug. Yeah, way more simple than the last one. It didn't take nearly as long, especially since I had most of the puppet rigged already from the last one, because it's just from the chest up. So here's him shrugging, and again, from what I've been finding with these short GIF animations, the more subtle movements you can put into them without overdoing it, the better it looks. So like, see, the eyes move separately from the head and the jaw or the mouth, and they all go on this kind of, wait, let me see. Oh my God, this is so hard. Yeah, so they go into this kind of motion. You can kind of see it happening there. But yeah, so that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna get these up on the drive and make sure Lumpy Meat likes them, and if he does, we got 2 more GIFs to do, which we'll do in the next episode. You're getting a lot more action in this one. I'm trying to get it done, or trying to get the videos a bit longer, a bit meatier, I guess you could say. I don't know, let me get guys know what you think. I think I might start explaining how I'm doing stuff a little bit more. Let me know if that's something you'd be interested in, kind of a pseudo tutorial, but not really, because I'm not a good teacher and I'm just fumbling my way through this too. But yeah, so I'll leave a link down to Lumpy Meat's channel in the description. You can go check these GIFs out on his Twitch channel live and check out that shit. Let me know what you guys think about it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.